Hello and welcome to LTO Suite. Today I'm going to show you how we can send our delivery notifications to our customers. To get started, we're going to go into our deliveries and then we're going to go into our trips. I'm going to look for a specific trip that I want to send my notifications on. Once you found your trip, we can either go to the context menu and click on the view option there, or we can click the trip name itself. This will also put it in the view mode. Once you're here in the view mode, you can see there is an option to send an email, to send SMS, or to make a phone call. All of these right now say not sent, but once you start to attempt these, they'll give you the date at which you attempted to do it. Once you click the button, you'll see a message appear that all of your customers have been successfully sent. Another message will appear if the messages did not send to any amount of customers. After that, you just click the close button there. You'll see the email has been sent on the day that you tried to send it. In your account, underneath the System tab, there is an email log section, and you can see the email logs as they get sent out to each of your customers. There's the date and time, there's the body, and then if you keep on scrolling to the right, it will let you know if it was successful or not. After the email has been sent, if you also want to send SMS, or if you did not want to send emails and just send an SMS, we have this option right here. So again, you just need to click it once. Once you click the button, you'll see this message appear. It says right now out of the three, one were not sent and two were sent. To get an idea of which numbers did go through and did not go through, again, we can go back to the system and we can go into our SMS. You can see this first one was successful. The second one was successful, but this one did not go through. It says it got failed, and you can even see the error information as well. For that, we're going to go ahead and close out of that. And then the other third option here is the call now button. So this will call each of the customers with an automated message. To check the automated message, we can go into our settings. The automated message can be found down at the bottom of your delivery settings. You can see it's called message to play on the call. Right now, this is just a sandbox account, so this is just an example of what it could be. Now, if we go back to our original trip, you'll notice that one of them failed. This will give us an opportunity to go into our order and swap out the numbers if they didn't work before. This has now been updated on the order. After emails have been sent, you also have the option to send SMSs. All you need to do is click this one button right here to send now. Once all of the numbers have been successfully sent, you'll see this message. If you ever wanted to know if your messages failed or were successful, again, you can go into System and we have an SMS log. You'll see of all the different successful messages, and then if you keep scrolling down, eventually you'll find some that failed as well, and we also show you the reason why it failed. Once you've sent your emails and your text messages, you also have an option to resend them. This message will appear if you just want to outright send the message back to everybody. We have this send all button. We also have this button where it says send updates. This will be whenever we update any of our order information on any of our customers. The send update buttons will send emails only to those customers in which we modified. Same thing for the text messages. If you click on resend SMS, if you made any changes on their orders, this will send an update only to those customers. If you want to resend it to everybody else, you hit this button to send to all. We also have this option to do a phone call. What you'll need to do is hit the call now button. What the call now button will do, an automated call will get sent to the customer, and it'll say this message that we apply here. This delivery message can be found inside the delivery settings. If you scroll down all the way down to the bottom, it says message to play on the call. And here is just an example of our template. So that is how to send delivery notifications to your customers and where to find the logs in the backend. Thank you.